Hello there! It's me, Alta D. How are you guys? It's been 2 years when I left Elite, but since then, I never forget the happy memories that we've shared. I miss our bondings, especially the kulitan sessions with my old friends. I miss you guys. To my sister Alta Doin, I miss you so much, Ter. I wish you were here, but even we are miles apart, you are always in my thoughts and in my heart. I pray and I hope that we will be together soon. And for this holiday season, I wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a happy 2014. May the essence of Christmas remains always with you. Take care. God bless everyone. From the City of Smiles, Bangkok, Thailand. Sawadee ka.
Hi, Elitians! Greetings from Switzerland. Sana mag-enjoy kayo sa party nyo. Have fun! Miss ko na kayong lahat. Merry Christmas! Auf Wiedersehen!
Hi everyone! To all the new and old staff of Elite Medical Surgical Center, Merry Christmas and a blessed New Year to everyone! Say hi to them, baby! Merry Christmas! Mangin ka ng gift mo sa mga ninang madali. Say Merry Christmas na, baby! Hi! Look at the camera, baby! Look at! Say hi! Hi, guys! Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
Yes. Have a great Christmas and a wonderful New Year. God bless everyone. Bye. Miss you all. Bye.
Hi guys! I'm back! Merry Christmas! Kamusta na ang Elite? Balita ko, maganda na yung Elite ngayon na miss ko na kayong lahat. Buday, kamusta ka na? Pumayat ka na ba? Hi Madam! Hi Ate Mel! Hi kay Baby Onse! Basta, miss ko na kayong lahat. See you soon! Merry Christmas! Bye!
Hello everybody. What's up? How's life going on there? Well, Christmas is in the air and I just want you to know guys that I really miss your company. So sad to think that I am not with you celebrating this special holidays, but I'm happy to know in the way that you were all enjoying there. The fact that I am far from you doesn't stop me from being your kapamilya and as your friend. You've always been in my heart, and I always treasure the moment that we've shared together. Thank you so much for the good memories and being such a good friend to me. Well, before I end up this short message, I would like to thank Madam Susan, Madam Juliet, sa lahat ng mga putir natin dyan. And to all the dental department, may kapamilya, to Ate Donna, of course, and Ate Lucy, Ate Ninita, Roan, and Tess. Hello! Namiss ko yung mga hagik-hikan natin dyan, yung, yung tawanan, pintuhan, ang sobrang tawa ni Ate Donna at sa kanya Ate Ninita, ang iyak ni Ate Lucy. Ay, nako, naiiyak na ako. Ayokong umiyak. Nako, well, and to all my, sa lahat ng aking mga kaibigan, to Leia, hello, Cheng, May, and si Majo, Ate Bibet, Ate Emma, hello, and to Cheryl, si Don, sila Kuya Manny, Norly, sila Ate Monisa, Ate Beng, and also in the dental receptionist, to Hen, Maha, and Sabrine, Norhan, hello, Kef Halik, miss you all, and sa lahat ng mga doctors, of course, yung aking doctor, si Dr. Hen, Dr. Yaman, Dr. Shalini, Dr. Ahmad, and of course, Dr. Ayman. Merry Christmas. May God bless you all. And enjoy the party and advance Happy New Year to all.
Hi, Vicente. Welcome to Bye. This is Miracle Garden. Christmas and Happy New Year!
They told me, para-pa-pam-pam, pam, pam, I'm going to see, para-pa-pam-pam, ra-pa-pam-pam, ra-pa-pam-pam, surprise! Merry Christmas! Happy New Year! Everyone, I miss you. So, dapat miss niyo din ako kahit ayaw niyo. Just, I wish you all the best. And I wish everyone all the luck and all the blessings for the new year. And